Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the ValoClean vacuum cleaner. The ValoClean vacuum cleaner is designed to make cleaning easier and more effective at home. It has a modern, lightweight design which makes it simple to carry around different rooms without much effort. The suction power is strong enough to pick up dust, crumbs, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. Many users find it works well on different surfaces, which makes it versatile for daily cleaning. The dust container is easy to remove and empty, so you don't have to worry about dealing with messy bags. It also comes with useful attachments for corners, sofas, and tight spots that are usually hard to clean. The noise level is lower compared to some older models, so it doesn't disturb the whole house while in use. Its filters are washable, which saves money and makes the vacuum more eco-friendly. The cordless option gives freedoms to move around without being stuck near a plug. The battery lasts a decent amount of time, enough for small to medium cleaning tasks. Some people may find the battery life shorter for very large home, but it charges fairly quickly. The design is sleek and stylish, fitting well with modern household gadgets. Maintenance is quite easy since the part can be detached and cleaned without much hassle. Overall, the ValoClean vacuum cleaner gives good value for money, offering efficiency and convenience. It is partial choice for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants quick and reliable cleaning. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.